Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to a new video of Pongo BTC. And today we're going to talk about a new altcoin, a new kid on the block, which is REEF. REEF has been around for like 2 or 3 months now, and it's getting some nice attention right now. And honestly, I think this thing is going to the moon. It's very low right now, it's quite new, so if you're in right now, you're quite early. And today I'm going to tell you what's so special about a Reef, so let's dive into it. Well, first of all, Reef is a DeFi platform built on Polkadot. And that by itself is already quite special, since there's not a lot built on Polkadot. We all know what Polkadot does. It enables cross-chain transactions. So a Polkadot DeFi system would enable cross-chain DeFi. And it is all at a lowered cost, since the Polkadot system has lower fees. And we all know how bad these Ether fees are. They're very bad at the moment. So Reef is planning to solve this issue. Alright, let's go into the page here. So they advertise themselves as DeFi made easy, the gateway to DeFi through liquidity and protocol aggregation, proprietary analysis, and multi-chain accessibility. So that's exactly what I said in one sentence. That's how efficient they are. Alright, so here we see the ecosystem where we have the DeFi financial infrastructures and the exchange and the trading markets. So these are actually the centralized exchanges like Huobi, Binance, Coinbase, these kind of exchanges. And the special thing about Reef is that it gets liquidity from everywhere. So not only the UNIswaps and the other DeFi platforms, but also from centralized exchanges like Kraken, Binance, or Coinbase, what we see right here. So that's quite amazing. These are the problems that they're solving. We already discussed that. It's powered by Polkadot, and we know that Polkadot projects are very hot right now. Most Polkadot projects went several X's since the IPO that they did. So yeah, that's quite amazing. What's special about Reef and why it now is a good investment is because now is very early. The whole system isn't out yet. You see here in quarter 3 and quarter 4 is a lot of work done. We have some Reef farms on Binance, but now we really get the LP, the liquidity provision of Reef. We got the farms, the Access integration from Binance. That's all things that are coming out in the first quarter of 2021. And you see they have a pretty clear and nice roadmap laid out for 2021. So that's pretty nice. I think that's on the fundamental side. Maybe one other thing I can say is something about the CEO, if it's right here. Let me see. Might be in the blog. And otherwise we will just skip it. Yeah, let's skip it. Alright. So now on why Reef right now is a good buy and why not a month ago. Well, right now, as we just seen actually 25 minutes ago, Reef is launching Reef Bonds, which is a flexible DeFi investment product. This pretty much means you can stake your Reef right now and get some APY. I didn't do it yet. I might do it. I might consider it. I don't know whether I want to hold Reef for 6 months or whether I want to strength trade it a bit. But they offer some pretty good APY rates. I can actually show you. So here if we go to stake.reef.finance, we can actually go to the Reef bonds, where we can stake Reef and other DeFi tokens to earn APY. And here is a lock-up period of 6 months, so half a year, and you get 32% APY, which is pretty amazing for a solid project like Reef. Alright, so let's go into the chart because there's more bullish things here. What we see is during the launch, of course, like every launch, we have a huge spike up, after which we go down for several days or weeks. And when we actually reached the bottom part, we started increasing again, and we see that this purple line right here acted as resistance, and now we have broken resistance. Yesterday we closed below resistance, but you can see that today we will most definitely close above this resistance line. So let's go a bit more short term. If I look on the 1 hour, we can see that we had a huge pump up to 120 Satoshi, and now we had a 22% retracement. So I would say around this area where it is right now, it's a pretty good buying opportunity. And we might go back to this zone right here. As we can already see, we might go back to this zone right here, and this would be the ultimate accumulation zone, since we will find some support here. As we know, resistance always turns into support. We will find some support here, and then we will go further up. So short-term targets right now are this 150 Satoshi from the support line, that's 75%. And further targets are all the way up from what we have seen already. The market cap right now of REEF is pretty low. Let's go search for it. REEF is right now at rank 156, which is not even in the top 100 yet, and has a market cap of $137 million. That means that if there is a product and it can actually compete with some of the best swaps that we have right now, like SUSHIswap or UNIswap, then let's take Sushi being the lower of the two. You can see it has a market cap of 2 billion, which is 20 times the price we have right now. And if it's a solid competitor, even if it comes close, we can have several X's in REEF. Alright, I think that's everything I wanted to tell you today about REEF. I'm really excited about this project. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice, but I own some of this token. I think it's a solid investment. I think it can go up, and hence I bought it. Did you like this video and do you want to trade on either Binance or Bybit? You can check my referral links in the description. There are always some bonuses available with these referral links, so please do if you want to check it out. REEF is also on Binance, so if you want to buy it, you can buy it there. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and consider to drop a subscribe. Alright, see you guys in the next video.